Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how to make roasted garlic potatoes. I am using 5 potatoes like this size, cut in half and make wedges. Each side maybe 3 to 4 wedges, at least ½ inch thicker like this. Now put them all in big bowl. Now put some black pepper, like a ½ teaspoon. And salt, ½ teaspoon too. Smoked paprika, around ½ teaspoon. And some oil. I'm using avocado oil. Whatever oil you have, you can use. Just mix it well. That looks good. Put some oil in the tray and apply nicely every corner, all over. Potatoes time. Just organize nicely. Make sure don't touch each other. Wow. Looks gorgeous. Heat your oven to 420 Fahrenheit. Now we're gonna pop in the oven for 30 minutes, 15 minutes each side. Now make topping for potatoes. Chop some garlic, parsley, just add into butter. Then just mix it well. It's been 15 minutes. Just remove the tray. Now apply garlic and butter and parsley, mixture we made earlier. Just apply nicely. Then just flip this over. Then apply garlic butter again. Now we put them back in the oven again for 15 minutes or until golden brown. Potatoes is cooked and golden. Try this recipe, very simple and easy to make. You're gonna love it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you're gonna like it. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. We'll see you soon in next video. Allah Hafiz.